my beard.
Yeah, right, Guido. I just broke 6 fingernails.
Hey, you guys, these babies ain't got a scratch on them. We can get $2 a piece, easy.
No kidding. How much you think I can get for these furry days?
Hey, you guys, who would put brand new chromers on a second-hand Dodge?
Probably some crater face.
Hey, why don't we go push these off with some suckers?
At 11 o'clock at night? Sure. Maybe go sell them at a police station.
A police station? What a laugh! They don't put those kind of hubcaps on a cop car.
Oh, there comes that car we just hit. Let's make tracks. Let's see evidence.
Hey, wait a second! Danny and Kaneki.
Back on the car, dipsticks.
Jeez, what a grouch. Oh, we was only watching him so no one would swipe him.
Hey, who got these fuzzy dice?
Hey, Kaneki, what are you doing with this hunk of junk anyway?
What do you mean, tank? Cruising for a bruising.
Do you actually expect me to make out in this sardine can?
Get bent, Latieri.
What color is it? Candy apple primer?
All right, you guys, let's start banging out the dents.
That's all there is to it.
Nah, the problem isn't in the dents.
The problem is in your rubber band engine.
The problem is in your mouth.
Where are you going to get a new carburetor? Did you ever hear of borrowing? Did you ever hear of Scotch tape?
What car did you steal this from anyways?
Your mother's.
Hey, Motormouth, what do you drive?
Me? Drive? Well,
Yeah, and how about you?
I
That's what I thought.
Wait till I give it a paint job and soup up the engine. Show run like a champ. This car could be a major piece of machine.
Look at this. Why, this car is systematic, it's hydromatic, it's ultramatic. Why, it's greased lightning. I have inhibitors and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah. Keep talking, what, keep talking. I do injection cut-off and chrome-plated rides, oh yeah. Get it ready, I know, get it ready. With the pumping on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know without a doubt, I'll be really making out grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat like trial. I supreme, I just scream, grease lightning. I have me purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual muffler twins, oh yeah. With the pistol plug and tie, Chevy beam the superstars. You know that I am ringing, she's a pretty dragon wagon, grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the key line trial. I supreme, I just scream, grease lightning. Grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat like trial. I supreme, just scream, grease lightning.
What is that thing?
What took you so long?
Never mind what took me so long. So is this your new custom convert?
Yeah, ain't it cool?
But as cool as a good humor truck.
Okay, Riz. if that's the way you want to be. But plenty of chicks will get down on their knees to ride around on this little number.
Sure they would. So how about all you guys run and open the door for a lady?
Lady? Lady? I don't see no lady.
Shut up!
Hey, what's up, Knish? You got a lot to offer, girl.
Don't you know it?
What do you say, Zuko?
You're looking good, Riz.
Eat your heart out.
Well, sloppy seconds ain't my style.
Hey, Zuko, what's your problem?
Nothing.
Hey, Zuko, I just left your girlfriend over at Marty's house. She was flashing all over the place.
What are you talking about?
You know, Sandy Dombrowski, Sandra D.
Oh, Sandy, where art thou, Sandra D?
Can it, you vultures? That's it, I'm getting out of here.
Hey, what do you mean? You ditching us?
What do you mean? I'm just taking off.
Let's split this scene too, Kaneki.
Hey, hit the pavement. We're cruising.
How do you like that?
Yeah, when a guy picks a chick over his buddy, something has to be wrong.
Yeah, you said it.
Come on, you guys. Let's go get a slice of pizza.